And we're back to CapCut. There is a way to improve your audio inside of CapCut itself. So if you want to do voiceovers, you have a podcast, whatever, then you don't necessarily have to use Audition or Audacity, a program like this. It's not the best tool, to be honest, but it significantly improves your audio if you've got nothing else. Let me put this audio clip, it's a short one, into my timeline. So I click on the plus sign, and here you can see at the start and somewhat in center there are background noises, and here to the right where I'll put the marker, there's the actual audio. So these are the peaks where I speak, and you definitely want to have the rest filtered out. Let me roll this. And that's the typical background noise. It's the wind, it's cars that drive on the streets outside of my window. And a little bit of that is always recorded. I filter that out in Audition, but if you don't have that, just select your clip here and then go to Basic. You're here in the Basic section, and then go down to Noise Reduction. Simply check this box and it's going to significantly reduce the noise. As I've said, it's not perfect, so it's not going to filter out everything, but let me roll it again. It's barely hearable anymore, so it has actually done a good job filtering out most of these noises. One thing that you may want to add is the loudness normalization as well. Just watch to the right here where I speak. When I check the box for loudness normalization, it drags it a little bit down because there were a couple of peaks. And if you now watch the left, so where the background noises were, it has lowered this as well due to the normalization. So check these two boxes and your audio is going to be better. It's a one-click option, so easy to do, and it's inbuilt in CapCut, so why not use it? I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.